Hello and welcome to Zenith Lingua. Today we will learn about vocabulary related to money. Cause everything runs on money. So what's money? Can you answer it? Write it in the comments. Money is a quantifiable, circulating and symbolic medium of exchange. Huh? What's that? Let's say you go into a shop to buy some candies. You bought 7 candies which are $2 each. They're really expensive, right? You have to pay $14 for it. So you're circulating money to take the ownership of candies from the owner of the shop to yourself. That's the circulating factor of money. On a physical sense, these both are just pieces of paper, nothing else. But in symbolic sense, they have a value, a real value. And its symbolic value is that it is a dollar. It's the currency of a country called USA. Rupees is a symbolic value of the currency rupee from India. And the third factor of money is it's quantifiable. It has a quantity. And this bill has a quantity of $100. This has $1. But both of the bills have the same size. But their value is different. So this was about money. What about rich? Who is rich? People who have a lot of money or a lot of things which they can buy with money. They are called rich. And rich people don't shy away from showing off their money. They go to luxurious hotels, they buy expensive clothes and luxurious vehicles like a Bugatti or a Ferrari. But what about being wealthy? Who are wealthy? And what's the difference between rich and wealthy? A wealthy person is a person who has abundance of riches or money. But he or she also has the consciousness capacity of using money wisely. Well, what does that mean? Take an example. A man called Sam. Sam has 1 million in his bank account. And he has no debt. On the other hand, there is a man called Tom. Tom has 10 millions in his bank.
You serious?
But is in debt of 100 million. Who is wealthy? Tom or Sam? Sam is wealthy. A person who has abundance of wealth and is free of any debt, that is a wealthy man. How can you create wealth? Well, you can create wealth by investing in capitals. Capitals? What is a capital? Let's give you an example. I'm using my camera, right? So this camera is making my video, and through this video I'm making YouTube content, and through YouTube content at some point I hope I will make money. So this camera is helping me to make money. So anything which helps you create money is called capital. Capital is a financial resource which is available for your use. So this is available for my use and to make money. What else is capital? The money you used for an investment is also capital. For example, if I invested in mutual funds, that is a capital. It's making me more money. You're watching my video on your smartphone, right? And if you use your smartphone to make money out of it, then you're using it as a capital. But if you're using it to watch movies, to surf YouTube videos, watch shorts and reels, watch some girls dancing, people parking here and there, then you are just using it as a consumer good. You're using it as a consumable. Don't use it as a consumable, use it as a capital. If you want to be wealthy, use everything as a capital. People can be a capital but don't manipulate them. Wherever an individual or a business creates more revenue than their cost, taxes and expenditure, then that revenue is called profit. It's really simple. These words will help you to understand money and manage your money like a pro. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to Zenith Lingua. Money is really embedded in your life, but don't make money your life. Keep having a chin wag with your friends to improve your English, because talking helps you to improve your speaking skills.